The Furman Academic Scholarship Program really helped launch my career, and I am tremendously grateful to NYU and also to Jay Furman, who helped set up the program, for creating the scholarship. The program provided a scholarship, but more importantly, really much more importantly, was the support the program gave in terms of the counsel and advice from a range of faculty here, as well as the community it set up within the institution when I was here and when I was an alum of the institution afterward. Really, I think the program reflects some of the values of its founder, and I was so happy to have been able to become a friend of Jay Furman. And it reflects his curiosity, his deep appreciation for academic work and the valuing that work. And that continues now to this day, that the program, I think, really is focused on trying to build people up to reach their potential as an academic and to give them the support they need in pursuing their project. I'm so grateful that I was a part of it.